What if there were a way to take years off the look of your face, not in a month, not in a week, same day? Well, I'm going to tell you what the steps are, and they really do work, all in today's video. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris Gibson, a skincare expert. I've been doing this stuff 36 years, helping people like you find skincare that will work for you, not empty your wallet, and not do you more harm than good. So if this is the kind of content you've been looking for here on YouTube, please feel free to subscribe and stick around as we talk about 5 steps, 5 easy steps to take years off the look of your face the very same day. All right, so let's jump right in. As a long-time skincare expert and esthetician, I can tell you that people will usually wait till the last minute to try to improve the way their skin looks. It's just human nature. We all do it. I've done it. And while I recommend, and of course teach here on this channel, long-term skincare, which is something I've been doing for many, many years, there are times we have things going on and we need to freshen up our look for whatever reason the same day. The first thing you want to think about doing is simply taking off the old skin that you see on the surface, and that's called exfoliation. Now, you can do this a variety of ways, but when we're talking about same day effect, usually some sort of skin peel, like a glycolic peel of about 14 to 18% will help do this. There are mechanical devices like the Buff Puff Sponge I talk about here on the channel. There are scrubs available. I'm not a big proponent of those because people tend to overuse them and end up making their skin look red and raw and worse than if they had not done any exfoliation at all. But exfoliation is a very, very important step in getting your skin to look refreshed. And it's one of the first things that happens when you go in for a professional facial. Now, I will be recommending some products and techniques down below in the video description box, so you don't need to write all this stuff down. Just check all that out down below the video when we're done here today. After an exfoliation step and we get that outer layer of dead, dull skin off our face, the next great thing to do is to use a facial hydration mask. Now, this is a mask by City Beauty. It's one of my favorites. It's a serum infused mask with hyaluronic acid and ice plant extract. It does a tremendous job of super hydration, bringing out the natural suppleness and firmness in your skin, at the same time reducing redness, fine lines, and wrinkles. So this is a hydration mask that you're going to wear for about 20 minutes, and it's going to provide all day, all night, super deep hydration for your skin. Now, because retaining moisture in the skin is so important to making it look good same day, same night, I also recommend that you have on hand some sort of facial mist. Now, this is Mario Badescu's Rose Water Mist. It's something I've talked about on the channel before. You just spritz the skin lightly. You can use it as an extra moisture step in this routine, or you can do like I do and keep it on hand and use it throughout the day to freshen up the skin and provide extra moisture. This stuff is amazing. It's very inexpensive, and I am never anywhere without it. The other things you can do in this age-defying same-day routine is apply good serums. Now, this is a Gyrolline that mimics some of the same effects as Botox. Thus, they call this Botox in a bottle. Is it Botox? No. Is it going to do the exact same thing as Botox? No. But it does help minimize muscle movement just under the skin, helping to relax those dynamic wrinkles from smiling, laughing, and having emotion on our face that turn into static wrinkles, making them far less noticeable. And studies have shown using this particular peptide over time does minimize the look of fine lines and wrinkles on a more permanent basis. Well worth having in your arsenal. You can also apply a good moisturizer that has hyaluronic acid. I love Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Water Gel Cream, especially the one made for extra dry skin, because it is fragrance free. It's an oil-free moisturizer that's light, goes on the skin, and pulls moisture into the skin all day long. And again, it's the moisture in your skin that is going to keep your skin looking youthful throughout the day. Now, if you want to take this one step further for flawless looking skin, I do recommend that you use a BB cream, which is a light cream that helps even out skin tone immediately, but it's very, very light. It's not really a foundation, not really a cover up or a concealer, but it does kind of do all three. Now, for a long time, I've been recommending the BB creams by L'Oreal because they come in a range for skin tones and skin issues. For instance, this one is perfect for light and medium skin types, and if you have red, ruddy skin like I do, they have one that is green, which helps cancel out the red tones, making your skin look bright and even and refreshed. And to keep that youthful look going, there are 3 more tips I want to give you really quickly. One is to make sure that you moisturize your skin every day and every night, even if you have oily skin. Actually, moisturizing your skin will cut down on skin oil production, which can be very, very helpful if you're prone to acne breakouts. The other thing is to make sure you're drinking a lot of water throughout the day, 6 to 8 cups. Men, 8 to 10 cups to make sure that you keep your body hydrated from the inside out. Dehydration is one of the main things that makes skin look terrible and tired and dry and sallow. I love that word, sallow. And one last tip, I know a lot of you guys use hot water, and that's a big no-no when you're cleansing your face. You want to use lukewarm water, not hot. We do not want to strip out excess oil and moisture from the deeper layers of the skin, and super hot water will do that when you're using a cleanser. So while I do recommend for people with acne-prone skin the steaming process with a warm washcloth to open up pores and help decongest them, never, never, never super hot water on your skin. Following these tips can take up to 10 to 15 years off the look of your face in the very same day you do them. And for even more ways on how to roll back the clock on skin aging, be sure and check out this video that's coming up next. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. I really appreciate you. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you over on that next video.